You're up for the countdown as we dive into the best indoor dryer vent solutions. From stealthy installs that vanish behind walls to heavy-duty models that tame heat and humidity, these picks bring safety and convenience home. Today, I'm going to be going over the best indoor dryer vent that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the generic dryer vent filter. On the market for indoor drying spaces, this budget-friendly filter packs a practical punch. The filter uses a stainless steel mesh combined with a polyester scrim to trap lint, dust, and microparticles before they escape into the dryer vent line. It is designed for easy installation in standard 4-inch vent openings and can be placed inside a laundry cabinet, utility closet, or laundry room where you want to capture particles at the source. Stainless polyester composition resists sagging and tearing through repeated cycles, and the washable design allows repeated use with simple hand wash or mild detergent cleaning. Reduces the amount of lint that migrates toward the dryer vent, which lowers the risk of lint buildup, reduces dryer overheating and efficiency losses, and helps mitigate household dust dissemination in small rooms. Kit includes adjustable sizing features. You can trim the filter to fit non-standard openings using scissors or a utility knife. Ensure a snug seal with a weather strip to minimize air bypass. It is compatible with most 4-inch duct piping and uses standard snap-in fittings. The filter's position near the intake of the dryer creates a first line of defense against particulates that would otherwise circulate through the room. Material choice balances cost with durability, offering a lightweight option that still resists moisture and wear. In terms of maintenance, you simply remove the filter, rinse, dry, and reinsert. Color and weave hold up to repeated washings, and the material resists mold growth when dried thoroughly after cleaning. Compared to the home improvement 3-in-1 indoor dryer vent, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the generic dryer vent filter focuses on filtration efficiency and ease of cleaning rather than multifunction implementation. At number 4, we have the home improvement 3-in-1 indoor dryer vent. This is not just a vent. It's a compact indoor air handling solution that combines filtration, deodorization, and ambient moisture management in a single unit. 3-in-1 concept includes a primary lint trap that captures fibers at the source, a secondary activated carbon filter that neutralizes odors common to damp laundry rooms, and a humidity control feature that helps moderate moisture levels in the surrounding cabinet. The 4-inch duct interface is designed for easy integration with common residential dryers and comes with a mountable housing, a removable front cover for cleaning, and a detachable tray to collect moisture-laden lint. Installation is straightforward. Align the vent to the dryer exhaust, slide it into a 4-inch opening, secure with included mounting screws, and connect to a short run of 4-inch ducting to the interior wall or cabinet top. Unit uses a replaceable activated carbon filter rated for months of service depending on usage, and the lint trap tray can be emptied and cleaned without tools. Product adds value by preventing indoor humidity hotspots, reducing the probability of mold formation in closets, and preserving paint or wallpaper from moisture exposure. In spaces with limited exterior venting options, the 3-in-1 indoor dryer vent offers a ready-to-go solution that keeps the dryer functioning with less maintenance on exterior vents, while the filter media provide a secondary line of defense against dust and odors. Trade-offs include needing more frequent replacement of carbon inserts if you dry heavily scented fabrics or damp towels. However, the overall energy profile benefits from better airflow and less recirculated heat. Compared to the HG Power Dryer Vent Kit, which I have included as number 3 on this list, the 3-in-1 emphasizes indoor air conditioning of the space and odor control, in addition to basic ducting hardware and metal fittings. At number 3, we have the HG Power Dryer Vent Kit. Here is a complete, ready-to-use venting solution that prioritizes rugged, all-metal construction and a straightforward installation process. The kit ships with a rigid or semi-rigid aluminum duct, standard 4-inch diameter, with pre-cut sections that you can trim to suit your space. It includes straight connectors, corner elbows, clamps, and self-adhesive foil tape to ensure a sealed path for dryer exhaust. The core advantage is durability and fire safety. Metal ducts resist heat and lint buildup better than foil, and the metal-to-metal connections with compression-style clamps minimize air leakage. In addition, the package includes cleaning tools, a narrow brush to periodically remove lint from inside the duct run, which helps maintain airflow and reduces the chance of a clog that could cause overheating. Installation process is friendly for DIY enthusiasts. Measure the path, cut the duct to length with a utility knife or tin snips, attach elbows at precise angles, seal every joint with the foil tape, and finish with vent hood and exterior cap. System is compatible with most standard dryers, and the connectors are designed to snap into place with minimal effort. The kit performs well in both tight laundry closets and larger utility rooms where space is at a premium. Maintenance: check connections every few months to ensure no looseness or corrosion and replace any worn gaskets. Compared to the BetterVent indoor dryer vent, which I have included as number 2 on this list, the 8G Power Dryer Vent Kit emphasizes metal strength and a tight seal rather than filtration or moisture handling features. At number 2, we have the BetterVent Indoor Dryer Vent. BetterVent is a proven option for households where an exterior exhaust vent is impractical or prohibited by building rules. This interior vent box sits inside the cabinet or closet and uses a 3-stage approach to reduce the flow of lint and humidity into the living space. Primary barrier screen, a secondary filter pad, and a moisture sealing housing that directs air through a short duct path and out toward an interior collector. The design reduces the risk of laundry room mold by catching lint, dust, and moisture before they circulate through the room. Interior box typically uses a removable front panel to facilitate cleaning, and many variants include a small collection drawer to accumulate lint, so you don't have to reach into the duct. Unit also helps lower the moment-to-moment indoor humidity, which is critical in smaller rooms or apartments that can't easily ventilate outdoors. Installation is straightforward. Mount the box inside a cabinet or on a wall, run a short 4-inch duct to a ceiling or wall vent to outside if a vent is available, and seal with tape and fasteners. Cleaning is simple. You pull out, empty, and wipe the tray or replace filters. It is best used in dry climates or when exterior venting is restricted, and it offers a practical alternative to exterior ducting with reliable performance. In practice, you will notice noticeable improvements in air quality and dryness in the immediate vicinity of the dryer, and the system reduces the everyday lint spread that would otherwise settle on shelves or clothing. Paired to the Kisscore Indoor Dryer Vent Box, which I have included as number 1 on this list, the BetterVent emphasizes proven, ready-made interior venting with a focus on humidity control and simple maintenance rather than premium integrated filtration options. At number 1, we have the Kisscore Indoor Dryer Vent Box. Inside the core of this premium indoor vent solution is a compact, purpose-built enclosure that sits near the dryer exhaust and provides a sealed, interior vent path to manage heat, moisture, and lint more effectively than any loose duct segment alone. Kisscore box features a solid, easy-to-clean lint drawer, a mesh pre-filter for initial particle capture, and a sealed interior cavity that reduces backdraft and recirculation of warm, humid air into your living space. Construction uses durable components with a non-corrosive finish and a tight sealing gasket that helps minimize air leakage, especially around cabinet cuts or drywall recesses. Installation typically involves mounting the box to a wall or cabinet side using included hardware, aligning the 4-inch exhaust port with the dryer, and ensuring the front cover sits flush. Unit can be configured with a top or side vent outlet depending on space, and the included duct adapters allow a neat, compact run to the interior space or bathroom-style exhaust fans. Key benefit is an optimized indoor vent that achieves the same effect as an exterior vent in areas where exterior venting is not feasible, while also making maintenance simpler with its removable lint filter and accessible interior. It helps reduce moisture-related concerns, including the risk of mold in closets and cabinet voids, and it typically contributes to quieter operation since the air path is shorter and smoother than a straight run of sheet metal. Kisscore design also integrates with common lint removal tools and offers a level of modularity that allows you to upgrade to a high-efficiency filtration module if your laundry loads include heavy damp items, such as towels or blankets. Paired to the BetterVent Indoor Dryer Vent, which I have included as number 2 on this list, the Kisscore Indoor Dryer Vent Box provides a higher-end, more integrated solution with an emphasis on filtration efficiency and ease of access for cleaning rather than a simple interior box with general humidity control.